The Action Democratic Movement (ADM) has strongly criticized Presidential Advisor Paul Tungwarara, accusing him of generating what he described as unwanted noise and symbolizing deeper systemic problems in Zimbabwe's governance and economic structure. Salapena mashoko mudachinzi stay in your lane. Opposition movement tells Tungwarara. Don't was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina manamu udanyuka mchinzi. The movement said its statement was a direct response to Tungwarara's recent remarks on empowerment in political situation in the country, which it believes were aimed at promoting a narrow, elite-driven vision of opportunity. In quotes, "We live in a country where a grown man, an ordinary citizen, is measured and valued at a $50 or $100, while a 17-year-old child is placed as a CEO of a taxi company in a supermarket, not by merit, not by experience, but by proximity to power," the statement read. ADM argued that such practices amount to exclusion rather than empowerment. This is not empowerment, this is not development, this is economic exclusion disguised as opportunity, the movement said. The party warned that when leadership roles and economic opportunities are distributed through family or political connections, ordinary citizens are effectively sidelined. When leadership positions and national opportunities are handed down like family inheritance, the rest of Zimbabweans are silently told, "You do not matter. Our qualifications do not matter. Our experience does not matter. Our sacrifices do not matter," ADM stated. According to the movement, the system undermines competition and hope while rewarding connections over competence. The system indirectly limits millions of capable Zimbabweans. It kills competition, destroys hope, and replaces hard work with connections, the statement said. It teaches our children that success comes not from effort, education, or integrity, but from who your parents are. ADM said it envisions a different Zimbabwe, one built on fairness and merit. ADM stands for a Zimbabwe where every child competes fairly, where leadership is earned, not gifted, and where no Zimbabwean is reduced to a dollar value while others live above the law, the movement said. While emphasizing that it supports youth advancement, ADM drew a clear distinction between empowerment and privilege. "We are not against young people succeeding, we are against unfair advantage, nepotism, and state capture," it said. Tomashukano budashitagwa pangwa ino ne ADM. When I comment section medu za funguro aim out kunipa msulupi ya their suggestion. So subscribe or like, watch it on the bell icon.